Alright, so when it comes to creating video, the number one excuse and obstacle I hear all the time is I just don't know what to teach, right? I don't know what I can teach. I don't know what I'm good at. I don't know if I'm good at anything. I don't know if I could put it into video if I were, etc., etc., etc. Now, with Udemy, the good thing is you can teach on absolutely anything you want. So I'll start with that. If you have a talent, whether even if, for example, you know how to draw well, you might be thinking, well, that's pretty cool, but I don't think I can make any money with that on Udemy. And you'd be wrong. Categories on Udemy go for days. All right. For example, let me head to here to the top of Udemy and type in, for example, drawing. Right. Courses about drawing. Look at this one. This one here, $30, 1,000, almost 1,500 ratings. This one, 134 ratings. 359 ratings, $20, $95, 29 ratings. These people have made a lot of money with these with these courses. These people have made a bunch of money, and you can too. So if you have for example, if you're good at woodworking, whatever, if you have a talent that you think maybe isn't necessarily interesting to others, then you're probably wrong. There's a lot of people on Udemy, all of them are looking for something different, and you might just be able to provide that, but you need to take the step to lean forward. Now, if you don't have any talent, right? I doubt that's true, but let's say you really don't have anything that pops up to your mind that you could teach. What I did to begin with was I went here to Udemy. I found categories that were popular, right? So I started with that. I wondered what categories, what topics are hot on Udemy right now. For example, let's head to business. What you can do is you can head to business and then start watching new and newsworthy, right? So that's the category that I would check out, new and noteworthy, excuse me, and take a look at what if you can find topics that come up often in this category. For example, Bitcoin, I know is going to be hot. There are online business and entrepreneurship. All right, complete business intelligence. Try to find topics that come up often, and then once you do have that, what you can do is you can simply head to YouTube and try to find free courses on those topics. For example, let's say Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin course. Type that in, and there you go. You've got a free Bitcoin course here, beginner to advanced. Watch it, right? Watch the course, write down what you think is important, and you can re-explain it to your own words. You can do a PowerPoint, you can do anything you want. Nobody owns the content, nobody owns the idea of trading Bitcoins. It's up for you for the taking. You can make your own videos on this. They'll be just as valuable as the ones that you purchase. And that's the way I started. Now I tend to do original content now because I have stuff to teach. But back when I didn't feel like I had some, I would just instruct myself and instantly re-explain everything I learned into a course.